In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader DC with the fill and sign feature. This is a really useful skill, whether you're sending important documents or want to streamline your digital paperwork. We'll be walking through this process step by step, so let's get started. First, you need to open the PDF document where you want to add your digital signature. Simply launch Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on your computer, then locate and open the PDF file by either dragging it into the program or using the menu to navigate to it. Once you have your document open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now on the left hand side of your screen, you'll see several tools. Click on the Fill and Sign option. This tool is specifically designed for adding signatures and filling out forms, making it a powerful ally when working with PDFs. By selecting this option, you'll open up a new toolbar at the top or side of your screen with a few different features to explore. Next, you'll want to focus on adding your signature. Click on Add Signature, which will open a new window where you can choose how you'd like your signature to appear. Adobe Acrobat Reader provides you with 3 different methods to create your signature. This flexibility allows you to choose what works best for you or the specific situation at hand. The first method is to select Type. Here, you can simply type your name and the software will convert it into a signature style font. This is quick and easy, but might not be as personal or unique as other options. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can select Draw. Using your mouse or trackpad, you can draw your signature in the window just as you would with a pen and paper. It might take a few tries to get it perfect, but that's okay. Take your time until you're happy with it. If you already have a pre-made signature saved as an image file, the third option allows you to upload that instead. Choose Image and navigate to where your signature image is stored on your computer, then upload it into the document. For today's demonstration, let's choose to draw our signature. Once you've drawn it to your liking, go ahead and click Apply. Now comes the easy part. Click anywhere on your document where you need that signature to be placed. You can resize or reposition it as necessary to make sure it looks just right. Finally, don't forget to save your work. By doing this, you ensure your signature is permanently added to the document. You can save the file under a new name if you want to keep the original unsigned version intact. And there you have it, a digitally signed PDF ready to be shared or printed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your document signing needs.